Go ahead, come on. We'll see you swim.
What did I tell you? Feet fast, arms slow.
Very good.
You get?
Billy. Say hi to Nona. Look at me.
Hi, Nona.
And?
Huh?
And who else?
Grandpa.
And? Look at me.
Paige.
Yeah. You gonna go in the pool?
I'm going in the pool.
Yeah? You gonna say hi to everybody? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Who are you saying hi to? Nona? Look, say hi to Nona and Grandpa.
Nona. Hi, Nona and Grandpa.
And who else?
Paige.
Yeah. Say hi, Paige.
Hi, Paige.
So I'll see you later.
See you later.
All right, say goodbye.